Hi, this is Carrie Jacogan, and I'm going to be discussing a Words Their Way spelling inventory. I already gave my spelling inventory, and I did not show this paper the last time, but usually when I do a spelling inventory, I already have a paper made out, and it's very easy for the students to write their words in it, so that way it's easier to grade for you. I do not send the paper home. It's one that I keep in my file, and I usually give the spelling inventory about 2 to 3 times a year. It just depends where your students are. So now I'm going to go ahead and grade the inventory. I have my grade sheet in front of me, and I used the elementary inventory guide. I did an inventory on a first grader and a third grader. Normally, if you teach a classroom of the same grade level, all your tests will be on the same grade level. But I had 2 student helpers at 2 different grade levels, so it's nice to see where they are academically in their age levels. If you have a multi-age classroom, then you could do 2 different age levels at the same time as long as they are cooperative. Sometimes I give the spelling inventory in a small group setting, depending on your students if they're unable to concentrate. So you definitely need a highlighter and a pen, and you make 1 copy of each of these for every student. So now I'm going to look at my test. This was my first grader. And I'm going to highlight what he got correctly. Okay, so the first one was bed. And he got them all right. So I highlight all of them. Okay. The next one was ship. And he got it all correctly. Alright, so it's all right. We have when. It's all right. Now, even if he gets them all right, I still highlight all of it. It just makes it easier if you're looking at the assessment real quickly to see what they got right or wrong. Okay, so here's float. Let me try to move this a little closer for you. Okay, so he got the FL, and then he has OTE. Alright, well there's OA that he did not get, but he got the T. So he did not get the OA correctly. Here's train. He got the whole thing right. And then we have place. Okay, we have PL. And he has the A and then an S and a C. So there is no magic E. So you cannot mark that correct because he did not get the A magic E. Alright, we have drive. And he got dive. So he got the V right. He did not get the DR, but he got the I magic E on that one. Alright, so he got the I magic E. We have bright. And he got VR. Shopping was all correct, but there's no, he didn't double the consonant. So he got SH and an O. He did not double the consonant, so he does not get that. We have spoil. I'm not sure if that is the I that he got correct, but since he only has a few more words left, I'm just going to mark it wrong because he will need to go back and study those vowels anyway. Alright, the next one was serving. Okay, he missed the E on the bossy R. So now you'll notice that consonants, he got them all right so far. He's gotten the final sounds all right correctly, so they don't test on those anymore. Short vowels, he got them all correctly, so they don't test on this one. And serving, he did not get the ER correct. And the VING he actually did get correct. Alright, we have chewed. He did get the digraph. He did not get the EW or the ED, so he did get digraph, so you did not get the EW or the ED. And we have carries. Alright. So, let's see. He got the AR, and that's it. Alright, so this was my first grader. He started making a lot of errors, so I stopped him. And he does not have to finish the test. There's 25 words on the test, so when they start missing a lot, you just say stop. So I can